good, Lost Gang? So we're back with another video, and today I'm gonna tell y'all some ways you could make money from home, because we've been all stuck at home and you never know when situations like this are gonna happen. So YouTube, SmooTube, I'm gonna show y'all. It ain't a thing but a chicken wing, you feel me? So I'm gonna tell y'all some ways. I looked them up, so I haven't necessarily tried all these ways. Maybe I try some, you know me, but I ain't try all these ways. But I'm gonna tell y'all ways that Google said that you can make money at home, so y'all could get to that money, and y'all could get that money, and y'all could not be worried about a thing. Cause everyone just always trying to get to that money, especially 2020. So let's get straight to it. So first way that I seen, it says was blog. So blog is one way. I'm all giving y'all information before you subscribe, which is ridiculous. So before I tell you guys any more secret information, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, please, because y'all really need to subscribe. If you're watching my video right now and you're not already subscribed, what is you doing? Anyways, but yeah, so the first one is blog. So a way you can make money from blogging is if you start bringing a lot of traffic in to your blog site. Then you can start doing like product affiliates, and you can start promoting products through your blog site. And when you do that, this money comes in, sister. This money comes in and the stress goes out, you feel me? So that's one way, is blogging. Another way, and you can blog about anything. I'm sure y'all know what blogging is. I'm not gonna get into it and bore the Lost Gang out, so just stay tuned. So the second way is surveys. I don't know if you see my shirt just is all the way on this side. Like, I don't have a whole other side of my body, bruh. Anyway, so the second one is surveys. You can't make that much off of it. It said like some sites will let you make like $250 a month. So if you want to go do some surveys, I know it could be boring, but $250, pay your little car insurance, put some gas in your car, put some makeup on your face, put some weave on, you feel me? You never know. So surveys is another way you can make money at home. The third way is do like freelance stuff, little odd jobs here and there. I know Fiverr is a good way. You could place yourself on there. You could do things like manage people's social media for them. You think you a manager, a boss, and no yellow marks around here. Then you could go Fiverr, sign yourself up for jobs. If you're good at whatever, people will go on there, hire you, so that's a good one. You can also sell stuff, sell your old clothes, just sell little things here and there. If you know how to make stuff, even better. Sell products. I know all these babes out here doing eyelashes, so do some eyelashes so some girls could glue some lashes on their face, stuff like that. Sell your shit, make that money, sis. And then okay, another thing is, supposedly, I didn't even know about this, but you could be like a virtual assistant for people. So do things like check people's emails, respond to things, because they're too cool to do it themselves or something. But you could do it, and you could make the money doing all that easy stuff. Maybe it's not necessarily easy, but money can't be too hard. Nothing's too hard. So on Craigslist, I know it says there's a lot of things where you can find like to be virtual assistant and do like online different things. So that's another one. And then another thing, if you smart, you got that knowledge, you got that brain, you could tutor. You could tutor in so many different subjects. There's so many online sites that offer tutoring for different things. You could write people's essays. That's bad. Don't do that. Don't hire people to write your essays. Learn how to write. When you have children, they're gonna ask you questions. You're gonna be like, so don't do that. But yeah, you could do other people for their dumb selves, you know. You could tutor also for like different tests like SATs. I don't know if you took the SATs, I took those and stuff like that. So yeah. And another thing you could do, which I see some people do, is if you know how to whip it up in the kitchen, you could cook. Yeah, hunty. You could cook whatever, you know. I see a lot of people, they do like little dessert things where they sell desserts that they cook to different people. You could sell, there's some place by here that I go to. I'm not going to tell everyone because I don't want people to go because it's bomb. There's this home around here and they sell tacos out their house. It's bomb. So do something like that. You know, sell some food that you make. Might as well. So now that I gave y'all all these ways, I don't want to see none of y'all broke bees and none of y'all broke ends. And y'all better have your money up because I gave y'all so many ways to make money at home right now. Another way is, I guess if you try to do YouTube can make you money. Not saying it made me nothing yet. Maybe I'll make a video about that. But yeah, there's so many ways now in this society where like so many opportunities for so many things. So don't get discouraged if you're home. Just make that money, sis. Like I already said, because you can make that money no matter where you go. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any video ideas that you want to know, have any questions, anything, put it in the comment. Have my Instagram, all that in the description. Y'all could DM me anything. You know, I'm trying to start this mental health movement. If you guys want to DM me anything about that, go ahead. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching my video. Y'all are awesome. Like always, I'll be back with more videos.
Keep it tight like a family. Yeah, we keep it tight like a family. Yeah, we keep it tight like a family. LOSTGANG.